Hey guys, and welcome back. Airplanes make a lot of different noises. One noise in particular, which comes from the Airbus, is the infamous barking dog. And today I'm going to explain exactly what it is and how it works. What you are hearing there is the PTU, the Power Transfer Unit. In order to understand how this unit works, you have to understand how Airbus hydraulic systems work. Airbus has three independent systems: green, yellow, and blue. Yellow and blue system have electric pumps. Green is dependent on EDP, engine-driven pumps. On ground operations, when certain system needs to be hydraulically pressurized, the PTU comes into play. This system transfers hydraulic power between green and yellow systems. This is necessary if one of the engine pumps fail. It also makes it possible to pressurize green system from yellow system for maintenance with the yellow hydraulic pump. The connection between the two systems is purely mechanical. It is impossible for fluid to get from one system to the other. As I said, three independent systems. When the pressure difference between the green and yellow system is more than 500 psi, the PTU will begin to operate. The pump itself is a variable displacement unit coupled to a fixed displace unit. Majority of the time you'll only hear the sound on the ground, or if one of the engines is running during taxi operations. And the reason it makes that loud sound is because it's constantly trying to compensate for the pressure difference. Now let's take a look at the PTU itself. It lives in a wheel well, aft wall. There it is. Quite fun.